Hello everyone, today let's introduce the EX42 Compact Mini line array, and let's see the package box together. Alright, once you open the package, you can see there comes with the accessories including the user manual. This is the user manual and also comes with the certificate of the conformity card. And here you can see one connect cable. Let's put it here. And you will get one thumb screw together. Now let's get the speaker out. Alright, so this is the EX42 speaker. You can see this speaker features a premium grey grille and its cabinet is made of eco-friendly ABS material. Flip to the rear side. All fittings and locking pins are pre-stored here at the factory. And you can see this is the phonics connector with two pairs of positive and negative terminals. One pair takes the input signal, while the other daisy chains audio to the next speakers. And on the other side, you can see technical specification including the sensitivity 90 dB, frequency 85 Hz to 20 kHz, impedance 16 ohm. The peak power is 200 watt, and the net weight is 3.7 kg on the right side. So next, let's check the locking pin with our authoritative design. First, you can put the pin according to the angle as you want. And then you can press the latch down and you can put the pin out. Release your hand and the latch pulls back up to lock the pin firmly in place, preventing it from slipping out accidentally. Taking off the linking plate, and you will notice three marked angles: 0, 2.5, and 5 degrees. This adjusts the splay angle between two linked EX42 units, ranging from a minimum of 0 degree up to a maximum of 5 degrees. Let's go through the modular assembly process step by step. The linking plate has a slot that latches onto the protrusion on the speaker cabinet. Align the slot to the top position. This is for the 0 degree. You can see only the pin hole for the 0 degree accept to locking pin. The other two holes won't fit. It's not fit. And shift to the 2.5 degree. Only its dedicated pinhole works. The same rule applies for the 5 degree setting. And then you just need to combine these two speakers together by screwing this thumb screw into the fret hole on the cabinet. As you can see, these two cabinets lock tightly against one another after installation. We also provide a pre-soldered signal cable. It connects the phonics terminal to parallel these two speakers, with the other end plugging straight into a power amplifier. Each 4-pin phonics jack use 2 pins for signal input and the other 2 for daisy chaining output. A single EX42 can work independently as the pole speaker. You can also stack 1 to 4 units on the pole mount, or install them via the rigging or the wall bracket. And here are the matching pole bracket. Attach it to the bottom speaker first. Then you can mount them onto the stand. Thanks to its modular structure, this system adapts to various applications with fast setup and easy transportation. In the next video, we will share the acoustic details of the EX42 system. And don't forget to follow us. We will see you in the next.